Hi, so today we will be doing requirements engineering. Basic requirement engineering actions, elicitation, elaboration, negotiation, specification, and validation were presented in chapter 5 through 7. The success or failure of these actions have a very strong influence on the success or failure of the entire software engineering process. And yet, requirements engineering has been compared to trying to put a hose clamp along jello. As I've noted in many places throughout this book, software requirements has a tendency to keep changing. With the advent of open world systems, emergent requirements may become the norm. Today, most informal requirements engineering approaches begin with the creation of user scenarios. More formal approaches create one or more requirement model and use these as a basis for design. Formal methods enable a software engineer to represent requirements using a verifiable mathematical notation. All can work reasonably well when requirements are stable, but do not readily solve the problem of dynamic or emergent requirements. There are a number of distinct requirements engineering research directions, including natural language processing, from translated textual descriptions into a more structured representation. Example, analysis classes. Greater reliance on databases for structuring and understanding software requirements. The use of RE patterns to describe typical problems and solutions when requirements engineering tasks are conducted, and goal-oriented requirements engineering. However, at the industry level, RE actions may remain relatively informal and surprisingly basic. To improve the manner in which requirements are defined, the software engineering community will likely implement three distinct sub-processes as RE is conducted. 1. Improve knowledge acquisition and knowledge sharing that allows more complete understanding of application, domain constraints, and stakeholder needs. 2. Greater emphasis on iteration as requirements are defined. And 3. More effective communication and coordination tools that enable all stakeholders to collaborate effectively. The RE sub-processes noted in the preceding paragraph will only succeed if they are properly integrated into an evolving approach to software engineering. As pattern-based problem solving and component-based solutions begin to dominate many application domains, RE must accommodate the desire for agility, rapid incremental delivery, and inherent emergent requirements that result. The concurrent nature of many software engineering process models means that the RE will be integrated with design and construction activities. As a consequence, the notion of a static software specification is beginning to disappear, to be replaced by value-driven requirements, derived as stakeholders respond to features and functions delivered in early software increments. Thank you.